Orlando Amtrak station, also the Sunrail. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Driver, and it's train time. Look at that sky. 75 degrees down here in Orlando, Florida. We're waiting on 91 Silver Service Palmetto Amtrak train, which is running about 48 minutes late. So it's quarter after 11 now, so it should be here in about another 15 more minutes. There's a lot of people getting on, and there was a lot of people getting off here. That was like a 20-minute stop for all those people getting on and off here. It's already almost an hour late now, heading to its next stop, which I think is Lakeland. And I think that's going to do it from here. And on that note, travelers saying, see you by the rails.